Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're logged in, so go straight to Appearance right arrow Customize. Don't detour. Once there, open the site identity or header section. That's where logos live. Upload your prepared PNG or SVG file. Choose the file that's 300-600 pixels wide for crisp display. You'll see a preview. Crop only if necessary. Make sure to replace the existing image rather than adding a new media item, because themes use the site identity slot for responsive placement. Now fine-tune how the logo appears. Use the customizer sliders to set width and height so it doesn't push navigation. If sliders aren't available, add a simple CSS rule for max width. Once done, consider a 2x version for Retina screens, upload a higher resolution file, and let WordPress scale it. Check the mobile preview and desktop view. Make sure spacing and alignment look balanced. If the logo overlaps, reduce width or add header padding to keep layout stable across breakpoints. Publish your changes to make the new logo live, then clear any cache plugins and browser cache so you see the update. If the logo doesn't appear, inspect the theme's header settings. Some themes use a different logo field or fallback image. Use your browser's inspector to spot CSS overrides or width constraints and edit either via additional CSS in the customizer or the child theme. One tip: disable caching temporarily when troubleshooting to ensure you see real-time results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.